Hey everyone, it's Grace with Boujee, Beaks, Hen Haven. So the chicks are about 3 weeks old and they stink. They need to go outside. I've been putting them outside in the playpen, and I've got a brooder out there so they can get up under it for warmth because we've had a cold front come through. So ideally I would have kind of had them already going out a lot more, but it's been really cold. So let's have a look at what they look like, okay? There they is. Now, I believe all of these are ladies except the gray one. I've been watching a lot of videos on how to tell if they're males or females based on their wings. That's my peg leg bird right there. See her? She looks perfectly fine. I'm just going to put them all in the carrier, and they're going outside because they smell so bad. Even though I just did their cage, they just, chickens belong outside because they're stinky. Stinky chickies, they are stinky little birds. Stinky chickies, they've got stinky little turds. God, they smell so bad. All right, you're going out.